This 2024 Forest River Vengeance Rogue SUT 357 SUT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, water heater, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, external shower, LP detector. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.